Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Quick VFX tutorial. As you can see in the intro, today I will teach you how you can reveal the virtual tank from the physical video wall. So let's start. As you know, in the augmented reality graphics, basically the physical set feed is just like a single feed of the video file. So I have downloaded one video file, one image. Let's consider this image as your video input. So I have downloaded here the one single image from the video wall and I put it on the background. Let's consider this is your video input. Then after that we have to download, I downloaded one tank. This is our tank. I'll give you the link. I'll show you in the you can download it from TurboScript. It's free just for the practice. So yes. So for revealing the tank from the video wall, first we have to create the background of the wall. So it will match our video wall tank and with the image. So I have installed, I have created one wall background. I'll put it in the background. So let's consider this is our video wall. So I'll create the tank. I have downloaded this tank. First what we have to do, we have to match this tank color with this background. I created this material already to save your time. So it's matching with the background color. Now first we have to put this tank inside the video wall and we have to create in a way that it seems like it's a part of the video wall. Always remember in the augmented reality graphics, the basic main thing is when you reveal your object, like surprise element. Initially it's supposed to be look like a part of the set, then later it will reveal that it's not a part of the set, it's a virtual graphics. So I'll fix this tank into the video wall. Can create it just for the angle. Yes. So now it seems like part of the video wall. Now we have to create the shadow, which is the most important thing in augmented graphics. So already created one tank shadow. You can download it in this condition. You can just type on the Google tank top view and make it black color. It will give you the exactly correct shadow. Now we have to do the animation. Always remember in the augmented reality graphics, do your main animation after some time. Like once you start your video presentation, let it start. Then after 1 or 2 minutes, you can start animating your object. It will give the really nice impression. So let me open this bounding box. Yes, so now we will start animating this tank. For that, we'll click on the main. We open this bounding box, and let's click on the local. It will help you out to animate this tank. Click on the local. I'll start animating. Insert keyframe. Little down. Yes. So let's see what our basic animation is. Let's now fix this animation. Let's put this region keys. Hit this 80. Let's play. For the basic animation is fine, but we need to enhance it. Make it also heavy. As I told you that for the basic animation it's fine, but it seems like it's floating. So for that, to give the nice impression, first what we have to do, we have to animate this wheel. So remember, for animating this wheel, basically what we have to do, we have to animate the texture of this wheel I mean. So we'll animate this texture. Slow animation. We have to exactly match while our tank is animating. You can see it's moving so fast, so we'll reduce the value, maybe 3. And it's animating other way around. Just change the direction. Still it seems like it's floating. Basically it's going a little bit more in Z direction. We need to fix this. Getting better, but still we need to do a lot of work on this. So next step, we need to fix this portion. The tank, when the tank is coming here, it should be stepped down. So what we'll do, we create another folder. First save this scene. Need to put all this thing into another folder. And what we have to do, go back to parent, make it center. For the y-axis, we need to make it on exactly on the bottom of the tank. So what we will do, when the tank will come here, we need to put little bit animation to give the impression that it's coming out of wall. I'll tell you how this kind of. What's this? So let's see. I need to increase this because it's not showing anything. Increase it a little bit more, and in fact we'll put like jerk. If you put there minus 3.4, need to put it here maybe minus 2.8, then again here minus 3.3. Let's see. Oh, by mistake I did minus 33, minus 3.4. Again, minus 3.4. Let's close these values. Now you can feel the jerk. This kind of thing will give the realistic look. So here once it come out, it needs to be back on the straight. Take the copy, take another copy and make it on 0. Here maybe it needs to be back to the 0. Let's see how it looks. It's getting better. Now save this scene. Now we have to put little more animation into this to give more better impression. Like if you have downloaded the tank in a way that your top part is separated from the other part, you can animate this part with it, will also give the nice impression. But unfortunately the tank I downloaded it, it's connected with the top part. But let me try. If I created this two parts separately, so almost all top part is separate. So let's put center, double click, double click, double click, and now put this little bit on the back. Now I will animate this top part to give more good impression, realistic impression. Just simply rotate it a little bit. It depends what kind of model you have downloaded it. Just take the copies of these two keys, put here, and let me check how it looks. Hide this bounding box. Minus, we need to increase this value little bit to get more animation. Now we can add little bit more life in this. What you can do, create another folder in this bounding box, make it local here, because once the tank start, shouldn't be like start driving in a straight path. Let's put some little bit rotation animation in this. So what we'll do, put here little bit rotation animation. And we'll go back to the normal while it's coming down. Let's see how it looks. So yes, now what we have to create, we have to create the reflection of the tank once it comes out of the screen. So for that we need to take all this tank into a folder, call it main tank, and we need to create a copy for the reflection. As you know, in Vizrt you have to create the reflection by our own. Create the copy, call it tank reflection. Always animate the main folder, so if we can create the reflection, it will auto animate with the tank. Yes, change it into y-axis, little bit up, and we make it alpha, and then we can make it blurred as well. and make it high, make it 100%, make it high. Save this scene. Use. Our main problem, only problem is remaining that one is coming out, and make it a little bit less because otherwise it will intersect with the shadow. Now you can see this problem. Our main problem is coming out of the screen. Now we want to show the reflection. Before that we don't want to reveal the reflection, so we have to create the mask. Yes, so our mask is ready. I'll put the mask on this. I'll put the mask part on the reflection and see what we have. As you can see, it's other way around. With this bounding box, so what we have to do, we have to go to the scene and here masking, invert this layer. You can see our reflection is also there, and it's doing exactly there's little bit problem that I don't want to reveal the reflection before it's coming out. So what we have to do, we can play this alpha. Let's make it 0, insert keyframe, 25 for this animation while it's starting. So let's see how it looks. So final animation. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please like, subscribe and share my tutorial, so it will motivate me to create more tutorial like this. You can see here there's a problem. This part is it's all about the 3D object, because in this tutorial I'm just showing you the how you can create the animation from video board. It depends the 3D model and all these things. So yes, this is the final. Again I will say, please like, subscribe and share my channel so I can create more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching.